How's it going, guys? Today I am installing Midpipes to my 2008 BMW 135i. So if you want to see what it sounds like before this, then you can look at my other video. It's like a video or two before this one. But it already has catless downpipes on it, and then it has stock midpipes and stock muffler. So I wanted to make it a little bit louder, and the stock midpipes, they have two little cats on it and then one resonator. So this should open up a little bit more because this one just has smaller resonators on it, and then it gets rid of the two cats. So I'm gonna put that on and we're gonna see how it sounds. Then after I'll do a cold start, and then I'll probably do some revving too. So